Namaste. Welcome to the celebration of International Yoga Day, a day which comes together to honor and practice the ancient tradition of yoga, which promotes physical, mental and spiritual well-being. I call upon Yashashwini to give a brief introduction about Yoga Day.
Good morning everyone. Today we celebrate International Yoga Day, a day dedicated to promoting the practice of yoga and its numerous benefits for our physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Our assembly with a brief overview of what yoga is and its benefits. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation and ethical principles. The word yoga means union, symbolizing the unity of body, mind and strength. Thank you.
Thank you dear for your brief introduction. To begin our celebration, let's ground ourselves with a short prayer. I request everybody to sit and take a comfortable posture to listen the song.
कहता है दिल मेरा धन्यवाद प्रभु, तूने किया कार्य महान मेरे प्रभु। हो कहता है दिल मेरा धन्यवाद प्रभु, तूने किया कार्य महान मेरे प्रभु।
I request Sharon to explain about benefits of yoga. Yoga is not a form of exercise, it's a way of life.
Benefits of yoga. Yoga offers numerous benefits including increased flexibility and improved strength and balance, reduces stress and enhance mental clarity. It can also help with managing chronic conditions and improving overall quality of life. Thank you.
Thank you Sharon. I welcome grade 8 girls to perform a yoga dance. Now we move into a demonstration of yoga. Some basics of yoga posture. I welcome PT Master Mr. Santosh to guide us through this session.
Class attention. Class and practice. Class attention. Standing position. Count number 1. Namaskar asana. Count number 2. Urdhvasana. Count number 3. Astapadasana. Count number 4. Ekapada Prasanasana. Count number 5. Vipada Prasanasana. Count number 6. Bhudarasana. Count number 7. Ashtanga Panipatasana. Count number 8. Bhujangasana. Count number 9. Bhudarasana. Count number 10. Ekapada Prasanasana. Count number 11. Astapadasana. Count number 12. Namaskarasana. Relax.
Thank you, sir. Next, we will move into a short meditation session to calm our mind and connect with our inner selves. I call Kundan to guide us through this session.
Find a comfortable seat. Sit on the floor in a comfortable cross-legged position such as Sukhasana. Ensure your spine is straight but not rigid. Gently close your eyes to reduce external distraction and help turn your focus inward. Center yourself with breath. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress with each breath. Body awareness. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the connection between your sitting bones on the floor. Notice any sensation in your body without judgment. If there is any discomfort, adjust your posture slightly to find more easy. Focus on the breath. Shift your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. You can focus on the rise and fall of your abdomen or the feeling of air passing through your nostrils. Let go of thoughts. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without attaching to them. Allow them to float away like clouds passing in the sky. Return your attention gently to your breath whenever you find your mind wandering. Cultivate gratitude or set an intention. Take a moment to reflect on gratitude for the practice of yoga and its benefits. Closing the meditation. After 5 minutes, gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body if needed. And when you are ready, rub your hands and keep it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes.
morning to one and all gathered here. We are glad to announce that the students of our school has participated in the Open National Karate Champion and won the prizes. I would like to call upon our chief guest, Reverend Father Job, to award the winners. Isha Sharif of class 3rd has won the 3rd prize. Iraj Sharif of class 5th has won the 2nd prize. Thank you, Father.
As a part of our commitment and incorporate yoga into our daily life, let's take a moment and recite the yoga pledge. I request Gagan to guide us.
Stretch your hands. I pledge to incorporate yoga into my daily routine to improve my physical and mental well-being and to promote peace and harmony within myself and the world around me. Hands down.
Very good morning to you, my dear teachers and students. You could perhaps sit down. Sit down. A very happy International Yoga Day to you, and I would like to first of all appreciate and congratulate all of you for having done this so beautifully, especially our teachers, Sandosh sir and Venkatesh sir, for having organized it meticulously, and all the students who have helped us in organizing it. Thank you so much. Dear teachers and students, I am very happy to introduce and welcome very Reverend Father Job Idakalathur, TOR. He is the former president of our society and 2 times provincial of our province of St. Thomas in Bhagalpur. Father hails from a place called Thrissur in Kerala. It's a district and it is the cultural capital of Kerala. Very well known for its sacred sites and colorful festivals. And you know, Father is a versatile yoga practitioner from a very young age. And Father is above 82. He is 82-year-old man. Look at his vigor and energy at this age. You know, Father had an attack of cancer, but he defeated that sickness with his willpower, his great profound faith in God, and his faith in himself, and his very strict diet, discipline, and through his practices like yoga. So I would say he is the right man to be here on this occasion to give us a message. Dear Father Job, we are so glad to have you here with us, and we welcome you warmly to our midst.
I request our chief guest Father Job to speak a few words.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. A number of things were said about yoga which I wanted to say, so I wanted to repeat. But a few things which you did not say at all. Now, your International Yoga Day was established. Who established? Our Prime Minister Modi, in 2014, on 21st June, our Prime Minister declared as the International Yoga Day. So today is International, so wish you all the blessings and the graces of this Yoga Day. Everybody said a lot about yoga. So then he has declared that yoga The root word comes from the word yuj, Y-U-J, yuj. Yuj means yoke or join or to bring balance, equilibrium, a balance of mind, body and soul. So yuj is to bring about equilibrium, so balance. So in modern times, if children don't get what they want, they go much out of the mood, and then they don't want to study, they don't want to learn, they don't want to eat, they don't want to listen to. But yoga helps. So we must thank our Prime Minister Modi, who leads the yoga celebration in Delhi today, International Yoga Day. So what is the message that we must take home? I practiced yoga. I had a class, yoga class. Or yoga was founded by whom? Can you say yoga was founded by Patanjali? Patanjali founded yoga. So the intention, the purpose of yoga is to bring harmony, unity, balance, mind. So this is also my experience. I had 30 hours of yoga class within a period of 3 months by a yoga master. We were 60. How many types of asanas are there? 3 types. See, you have the standing pose, so that is an asana. Then you have sitting pose, asana, yogasana, and then lying down. So you have this, so in each one there are so many poses. There are 4 margas, 4 margas to reach God. 4 marga. What are these 4 marga? Anybody has any idea? You have a karma, karma yoga, jnana yoga, bhakti yoga, raja yoga. These are the. So I'm going to speak a little about karma yoga. Now, karma yoga is also said and spoken so much in the Bhagavad Gita. What does Bhagavad Gita say? Bhagavad Gita says Nishkama karma. Have you heard of this expression? Means fulfilling one's own duties without hoping for any fruit, any reward. I used to wonder that I used to get angry, I used to get emotional and all. But when I began to practice yoga, suddenly I got a kind of control of my emotions, my anger. I became a calm and a quiet person. Now, in order to do this, there should be regularity, a self-discipline to overcome oneself. So there should be, so we must not strain or overdo. So thank you very much. I did not say much about this yoga. So thank you for giving me this chance.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring message. Thank you everyone for participating in today's assembly. Our special thanks to this event in charge, teacher Mr. Santosh and Mr. Venkatesh. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Have a wonderful day and remember to practice yoga regularly for your healthier and happier life. Stand for the national anthem.
Attention! National anthem in chorus begin. Jana
गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाये तव जय धाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे General salute. Hands down. Assembly disperse. Hands back. Move.
अथ योगानुशासनम्